Want smarter league decisions without alt-tabbing every 2 seconds? Let's set up the Mobalytics Overlay in under a minute. First, open the Mobalytics desktop app and log in. Make sure League of Legends is closed for now. On the left side, click League of Legends, then find the Overlay tab. Here's where you turn everything on. Toggle the overlay switch to on, then check that Champion Select, in-game, and post-game overlays are all enabled. Next, adjust size and opacity so everything is easy to read but not blocking your minimap or abilities. Hit Save or Apply, then launch League from the app. Once the client opens, your overlay is ready to go. When Champ Select starts, the overlay pops up on the side with recommended runes, summoners, and builds for your pick. Click a rune page to apply it instantly, then lock in your summoners based on the suggestions for your matchup. Once you load into game, the in-game overlay appears near the edge of your screen with early item and ability tips. Use it to quickly check your skill order, ideal item path, and power spike notes without ever leaving the match. You can also open the extended overlay to see lane matchup stats, roaming tips, and team fight reminders at a glance. That's it. Your Mobalytics overlay is now set up to guide you from Champ Select to victory screen, one clear decision at a time.